Yeah, kick 'em if you got 'em because we are Rolling Sturgis. I'm Jesse James Dupree, along with your favorite Harley-Davidson dealership right here, giving you a chance to win a brand new 2021 Electra Glide Harley-Davidson motorcycle and many more prizes, including a trip to the 81st Annual Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. So swing by the dealership today, pick up your Rolling Sturgis Voucher, and register to win big. And while you're in the dealership, be sure and download the app so that you can increase your chances to win. You could be standing on stage with me Thursday night, August the 12th, during the Jackal concert, winning your brand new Harley-Davidson motorcycle. You'll be staying at the Throttle Saloon's Pappy, Hoel Campground, the official campground of the Harley-Davidson Motor Company, where HOG members get preferred pricing. The Harley-Davidson Motor Company, Jesse James Bourbon, and the VFW organization have all come together to bring you Rolling Sturgis. Swing into the dealership, check out everything that is Harley-Davidson, register to win today because we are Rolling Sturgis. Pappy!